Hey there mga my loves Aries! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babe. So bago natin simulan ang inyong July 2024 reading, reminders mo na staying dito for everybody. So pick up nyo lang yung mga mensaheng tingin mo for you. At wala po tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that. And at the end of the day, you always have your free well. So yun nga, let's go ahead and check these messages right here para sa'yo. 2024 month of July. Aries. So, bago pala yan, no? Hi and hello new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. So, kung hindi nyo pa subscribe pa po tayong other channel, ang link ay nasa description box. So, we're gonna be using two decks right here for you guys. So, let's shuffle. Spirits and Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. This is for Aries. What do we have here? Messages for Aries for the month of July 2024. Aries, July 2024. Messages for Aries. Aries. Okay, so i-shuffle na rin muna natin tong isang deck before we start reading. Tell me more about Aries for their month of July 2024. Can you please show me? Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading, together with the angels and guides and the ancestors of Aries. Aries. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out. Let's lay all the energies first sa ating table before we start digging. We have here photograph. I like you. Soulmates. Both. Not enough. Okay, that's nice. Hand of cards, karmic relationship, mask. Okay, let's put it here. Courthouse. Courtship. There's something here with the court. Baka iba sa inyo, no? I'm picking up na maaaring lalaro kayo ng basketball, like literally. Okay, just take how this resonates. Or baka meron ditong varsity player nung nag-aaral pa siya. Or baka sports ang pinagkakakitaan ninyo. Yan. Poverty is in reverse. Very good, no? And we have here the expectation, pathway, mean, meal. Okay. So, ulong lang natin. I think there's someone new here na na-attract ninyo. Could be meeting here someone new. Pwedeng nakakilala nyo lang siya rito, no? Pwedeng through a friend or pwede rin online nyo siya nakilala. At nandun pa kayo sa kinikilala nyo pa lang yung isa't isa. Pero, masaya kausap yung tao na yun, no? At nakikita ko rito na parang okay naman. Okay? This person here, I think, pinaparating niya sa'yo na okay, okay ka din kausap, no? Na like ka rin niya rito kausap, gusto niya pang mas makilala ka pa more, no? Getting to know, no? I think you start to like that person here, no? But with the both energy, maaring hindi pa kayo as in talagang willing mag-give in sa connection na yan. Siguro dahil bago pa lang, maaring wala pa kayo dun sa friendship stage, no? Pero nakita ko na gumaganda with the both right here ang inyong connection ng tao na yan o ng person na yan. So, nakita ko rito mga babes, no, Aries, na posibleng mas maging maganda pa at lumalim pa ang connection ninyo with this new person right here, no? And that person starts to look at your photos. Maganda pala talaga si Aries. Yan. gwapo pala talaga si Aries, 'no? So this person here is realizing na, Aries, you are someone born with a natural beauty or maybe you are physically attractive, no? Pero this is not a player energy. So kung nagagwapuhan at nagagandahan man siya sa'yo, gusto niya pa rin dito yung ugali mo. So, nakita ko dito that this person here really starts to like you and I think you're both feeling the same thing. You find soulmate with each other, no? Soulmate here, the vibe is gusto ninyo maging friends, no? And let's see kung saan ito papunta with the both card energy, parang ganun kayo, no? Pero ngayon, hindi niyo pa masabi kung love talaga yan, which is the not enough right here, no? But literal na the word addict, nakaka-addict itong ganitong klase ng connection with this person. No? Enjoy each other's conversation, no? Back and forth yung palitan ninyo ng mensahe nitong tao na to, Aries. And I think, no, sa kalaunan, nakikita ko na susugal kayo with this type of connection here. Nakikita ko rito na matatanggal dito yung wall at mababarag dito yung pagkakaroon ng boundaries, no? Dahil talagang i-open mo yung heart mo and this person's heart here is i-open niya rin sa iyo. So, nakikita ko dito na both of you ay susugal rito sa relationship, no? Wow! So, yung nakikita ko dito, no? And alam mo kasi, mga babes, no, galing kasi kayo sa relationship niyo before na pinaramdam sa inyo na hindi kayo enough. That could be your karmic partner, no, na kung saan hindi na connected or separated na kayo nun. So, maraming mga parang hindi mabilang na mga pagsisinungaling or whatever, no, pagtatago, no, marami siyang sinusuot na maskara in short, no, yung mga previous mong naka-in relationship, no. But with this new person right here, I think you will feel more than enough. Yeah. Kasi hindi siya rito yung tao na mapaglaro. Ito yung klase ng energy na gusto ng commitment. Ang hanap ay commitment. Tunay na pag-ibig, tunay na love, yun yung nakikita ko rito. And I think ikaw yung magiging dahilan kung bakit mababawasan niya rin yung bisyo niya. May bisyo siya dito eh, no? Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, no? Kasi hindi naman siya yung klase ng energy na bisyo na kailangan mag-worry kayo na parang hindi na kayo kakain. Baka ipang sugal niyo na lang yung pera or ipang bisyo niya lang. Hindi, hindi naman ganun, no? Parang siya to na kunyari ganito, hindi niya nakokontrol yung kain niya. Lagi niyang ang daming sandok ng kanin pagkakain siya, 'no. Pero 'pag nakilala ka niya na parang mas mamahalin niya yung life, eh, hindi na siya kakain ng masyadong maraming kanin, yung mga gano'n. May mga nakuha ko dito na makokontrol nila yung mga gusto nilang goals or target plans. Puwedeng yung mga vision nila na is makokontrol at mawawala dahil sa tulong mo. You will inspire them. Yan. So, yun yung nakikita ko dito. Okay? And for some reason, no, I think your ex is mababalitaan niya dito na meron ka na nakausap na iba, o yung iba, posibleng babalitaan niya meron ka ng iba, no? So, for some reason, nakikita ko dito na after hearing that news, your person here will start to visualize your face. Ano nga ba yung itsura ni Aries? Yan, no? And for some reason, that person will start to feel sad, no? Kasi parang i-let go ko na ba talaga si Aries, no? So, hindi ko alam kung ba't kayo nagkahiwalay. So, kahit ano naman yung dahilan doon, no? Pero, after hearing the news na meron ka na nakausap na iba, may ini-entertain na iba, or may minamahal na iba, okay? This ex of yours starts to visualize your face. Parang sinasabi niya dito na talaga bang i-gi-give up ko na si Aries? Ile-let go ko na ba talaga si Aries or may chance pa ba na kunin ko siya? Pero baka sabihin niya, kung kailan naman meron na saka naman ako susulpot, 'yan 'no. Kasi alam mo kung sino 'tong ex na 'to, medyo pagkaduwag siya, eh. May pagkaduwag siya sa energy niya, eh, 'no. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. So, nakikita ko dito ang celebration. So, hindi ko alam kung, eto dalawa yung nakuha ko rito. Puwedeng ikaw at yung pamilya mo or sa inyo meron ditong nilalaban kayong court cases. So, the favor is nasa inyong side. Wow! And nakikita ko dito na maipapanalo niyo yun, 'no. Nasa side kasi ninyo yung justice dito, 'no. And if it is not something here na may court cases, I do pick up na meron ditong mga documents na signed or pirmadong documents dito, no? And I think yung family mo is magse-celebrate dito, no? Kasi parang it gives this type of vibe na parang ito na yung simula ng pagbabago ng buhay ninyo. So, hindi ko alam kung ano ba yung pinirmahan na yan, no? Yan ba ay inheritance ng lupa, no, na matatanggap mo, no? At makikinabang rin dito, no, ang iyong pamilya, yung ganyan, no? Or ito ay klase ng energy na posibleng umusad na, no? Baka yan ay documents, no, papunta sa ibang bansa to work there. Or baka yan ay documents na napipirmahan na dahil para makapagnegosyo na, no? It's all about approval. Ayan, no? So, nakita ko na ma-approve yan at isa-celebrate yan ng iyong family and loved ones together with you, Aries. So, nakikita ko dito na posibleng merong nanliligaw sa'yo ngayon or may nililigawan ka. Kung may nililigawan ka, nakikita kong may chance na maging kayo. Yan. Malaki yung chance. Yan. Kaya lang may pagsubok dito ako nakikita na kung itutuloy niyo 'tong koneksyon na 'to 'no, posibleng marami-rami sa inyo maging LDR 'to. Kasi I don't know if you're dealing here with a businessman or businesswoman, may gano'n, eh. It doesn't have to be na pupunta siya ng ibang bansa, pero puwede. Kasi nakikita ko rito na LDR 'to or parang feels like LDR, pero nakikita ko kayo rito na hindi kayo mabubuwag. Actually, magugulat pa nga kayo kasi parang kung hindi pa kayo kasal nitong person na 'to, nakita ko dito mabilis siya makakapag-ipon. This person will definitely marry you. Kahit saang simbahan, kahit saang beach, kahit saang garden wedding pa man yan, beach wedding, whatever. Okay? This person can provide, has the ability to provide. And this one's really a very responsible individual. So, nakita ko dito na yung ina-expect mo sa future ay mangyayari at yun nga yung paggaganda ng buhay mo. So, nakita ko dito mga babes na may isang tao dito tutulong sa'yo na abutin yung mga pangarap mo. Okay? So, this could be someone here na older than you by age. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes na kapag may kinalaman naman sa pera mo, nakita ko dito na mag-iiba na yung daloy ng pentacles or coins mo rito. So, kung mabagal ang naging flow ng pera, no, o pagpasok ng pera sa buhay mo recently or in the past, nakita ko dito na magtutuloy-tuloy na ito at magkakaroon na rito ng pagkaalawan ng pamumuhay because the poverty is now in reverse. Okay, kumbaga parang tapos na yung tagutom, tapos na yung struggle sa pera, tapos na yung pagtitipid, because I do see you right here, gaining here something. And this is something here that's gonna stay. It's something here that's permanent. It's something here that's stable, no? And I think it has something to do with your money, coins, and pentacles. So, yan. Dami nakikita ko dito significant friend and I think hindi mo pa ito nakikilala. But this person right here could be coming from a different country or from a different bansa right here or may have siya or um, maaaring lumaki siya sa ibang bansa, whatever the case may be. That someone will be a great help sa iyong negosyo or sa iyo ritong trabaho. Okay? Kasi this person here is hindi siya yung greedy type of person. Gusto rin niya kumita, umangat, no? Pero hindi para manlamang ng iba. So, nakita ko na patas itong person na to. Kaya kung magiging business partner mo ito, nakikita ko na nasa tamang kamay ka. Plus, medyo may pagka-smart or intelligent din siya. So, talagang pagka nagbigay siya ng suggestion sa'yo, lahat yun may sense, lahat yun may laman. So, nakita ko na matutulungan ka talaga nitong tao na to na mas paangatin pa yung iyong money, coins, or pentacles, negosyo man yan, or nagwo-work ka sa isang company. So, nakita ko dito that everything right here is moving accordingly into your favor. And yung iba sa inyo, maaaring may nakuha ko dito energy na pagkamahinhin kayo, pagka-traditional, classic vibe, classic woman, classic man right here. And I think that person is yun yung mai-in love siya sa'yo lalo, no? Doon sa pagkakaroon mo ng ganong mga binanggit ko na katangian, no? So, wow! I do see that there is really something here, no, na pagbabago rito, no? sa iyong love life, no? This is something here na hindi mo pa talaga na-experience ever, no? Pero maganda, hindi mo lang 'to ma-experience ng merong, panandalian lang, kundi ma-experience mo 'to ng matagal. Long term itong nakikita ko dito for you, Aries, na makakasama mo 'yang tao na 'yan ng matagal, magiging alliance mo 'yan, kakampi. And if it is love naman na nakikita ko dito, that person will definitely stay into your life, Aries. And this person here is actually thinking about you right now habang ako'y dumadaldal. So, sino man 'tong energy na 'to, na this person here is giving me the vibe that even though you haven't met this person yet, for others of you, this person here is actually thinking of his or her soulmate, and that is definitely 101% you, ikaw, Aries, no? So, kung saan man siyang panig ngayon ng bansa at panig ng mundo, panig ng earth, this person here is definitely attracting you, manifesting you, and you are his or her soulmate. Yeah! So, ito yung mga nakuha kong mensahe here for you, Aries. Thank you so much sa oras mo. Muli ako po siya ng inyong psychic medium, Sarangel, Love and Light. Oh, may nakita akong ball pens, whatever the case may be. Maybe ikaw to kakatapos mo na magsulat o may sinulat ka or lagi ka may ballpen sa bulsa. Just take how this resonates, okay? So that might be clue that this reading here is also for you. Or baka mahilig ka magsulat. Yan. So, thank you so much. Sarangel, Love and Light. 안녕.